Meaning of grief.
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 Grief. Grief refers to the intense emotional pain and suffering that is often experienced in response to a significant loss or tragedy, such as the death of a loved one or the end of a relationship. It is a complex and multifaceted emotion that can manifest in a variety of ways, including sadness, anger, guilt, and despair. Grief can also have physical effects on the body, such as fatigue, sleep disturbances, and changes in appetite. Ultimately, the experience of grief is a natural and necessary part of the human experience, helping individuals to come to terms with their loss and adapt to a new reality.